Sarthak of class 10B, and today welcome to my cooking blog. Today we are going to prepare a very delicious and crispy recipe without using any flammable objects, which is grilled sandwich. Today we are going to prepare the main ingredients that we will be using are some stuffings, potato stuffings, some butter, little bit cheese and red sauce. So first of all, we have prepared the stuffings by mashing up potatoes, and then we have added some little bit green chili flakes and red chilies, and now we will be making up sandwiches. So first of all, let's take a little bit piece of bread, and now we will be applying little bit sauce on it. So we are applying sauce on it so that it gives a little bit flavor and delicious taste to our food. And now we have applied the sauce on it. Now we will be putting up the mashed potatoes or the stuffings that we call the main ingredient of our sandwich. These stuffings add a very delicious taste to our sandwich, and it is a regular part of it. So now we have filled our sandwich with the stuffings that we have taken. So now I am going to heat up this sandwich, or we can say grilled up, by using our grill machine. And now we will be applying it. We have also taken a little bit of, we can say, cheese, which adds a very good flavor to our, and we can do it as per our own taste, and if we like then we can add the cheese, or otherwise we won't. So now let's put up this in our we have preheated our grill machine, and now I am going to put my sandwiches over it. Now I have put my sandwiches over it. We will also add a little bit of butter to it according to our taste. So by putting this butter, I have also put my butter on it, and now we will leave this grill machine for about 1 minute, and our grill sandwich will be ready. The sandwich has been grilled up, and now we are going to take it up from it, and it is ready to eat. So as you can see, it is a very delicious sandwich that we have prepared, and now we are going to serve it. And here it is, our delicious sandwich, which we can serve up with our sauce. And it is very good to say that it is very delicious to eat, and it has a very easy recipe which you can prepare at your home, and you can eat it using various sauce, mayonnaise. So I hope you might have liked my recipe. Thank you.